I'm at that age where I experience what I call power surges, and sometimes standing in the refrigerator is one of my favorite places in the house. So yeah, if I drag this intro out, you know why. Hi everyone, it's Vicki Marie and I want to welcome you back to my channel today. If you're new here, I put videos out several times a week and just on productivity. I do have some cleaning motivation, just motivation to get organized in your life. You know, I'm all about just decluttering and making room in your life for the things that are important and what really matter to you. That's what I try to do in my life, and that's what I hope that I can help you with. So today I'm going to clean out my fridge. I've got company coming tonight and I really need to clean this out. As you can see, we've done a lot of entertaining. I have some salmon and stuff, some salad mixings ready for dinner tonight. Look at this. This is the Kimberly cake. We had a little bit of birthday cake left that I had gotten for my daughter. I have a lot of stuff in here. So I am just going to pull all of this out of the refrigerator, get rid of the leftovers, and clean up the shelves, and then put it all back in there. And I only have about 20-25 minutes because I have to leave and go to an event. I'm going to celebrate my husband today at work. He's getting an award. I'm very proud of him. So, all right, I am going to get to work. I wanted to show you guys, I'm running some hot water in a bowl, and what I use to clean my refrigerator, just the shelves, is I need warm water. It does best. So I'm using the Mrs. Meyers dish soap in a little container of water. I'm going to use my scrubber that I get from Grove Collaborative. But you can use a Scotch Brite or whatever you have. But I just like one of the scrubbers with the spongical scrubber on the side. This water is not very hot. I need to warm up my water just a little bit. I probably need to roll up my sleeves since I am going to go out. I got my refrigerator. I'm just doing the shelves right now, and I will come back. I don't know if I'm on screen now. I'm trying to let you guys see what's going on in my sink. I got halfway through and I stopped and showed you the sour cream because the other night I was looking for that sour cream to put on some tacos and I couldn't find it. So, but I found it. Yay! This is why you have to clean out your fridge. I always try to clean out my fridge. I've been cooking a lot, so I have a lot of leftovers, plus I've done some food prep. So my refrigerator is stuffed, and I do have a second refrigerator in the garage, but I don't have time to get my whole refrigerator clean, and if I try to wait till I had a lot of time, I probably would put this off, and I need to make room in my fridge tonight, because when I have company coming, you guys know when company comes, they usually bring something, and you want to make sure you have room in your refrigerator, for their stuff. So I am just getting the shelves done, and then I'm going to do the doors and the two bottom produce and meat drawers at a different time. So yeah, this video I'm just focusing on the 4 shelves. So hopefully this helps you guys. I mean, if you don't have time to tackle a big job, break it down and break it down into maybe 2 or 3 segments. It really does help, as long as you make sure you follow up and come back to finish the job. For me, I have to because, well, right now, because I have company coming and I have to leave the house too in about 15 minutes. So here I go. I'm going to clean this out. right, this is tons better. I could have taken all the shelves out. I don't really need to. They're really not that dirty. I mean, I had a few spills, but I got it all cleaned up. So I'm going to go ahead now and put everything back in that I know needs to be in there. I'm going to do that first. And then I'm going to deal with my leftovers and any expired food, throw it out, and I'll get those dishes washed. So, but for now, I'm just going to get everything back in here. All right, as you can see, that's a lot better. And now I have room for my company's, the stuff that they bring. Now, I will have to come back and do the drawers and the door, but this is just one little quick video here in March Madness to hopefully help motivate you and to help motivate me to get these little pockets of clutter done. And hey, it took me 15 minutes, so this was something that I was really putting off, and it just seemed really great, big, huge, overwhelming, but it really wasn't. So, all right. I'll see you guys on the next video. If you like my video, give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you next time. Bye.